Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan brownies. First, let's gather our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, and 1/2 cup of melted vegan butter. Stir these together until they are well blended. Then, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is smooth and creamy. This forms the sweet and moist base for our brownies. Next, we'll prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This blend gives our brownies their rich chocolate flavor and structure. Now, gently add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Now it's time to bake. Pour your delicious batter into an 8 by 8 inch baking pan, preferably lined with parchment paper for easy removal. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Let them cool completely in the pan for at least 2 hours before slicing. For an extra special treat, you can fold in about 1/2 cup of vegan chocolate chips before baking. Once cooled, feel free to dust your brownies with a little powdered sugar or drizzle them with a simple vegan chocolate ganache. These rich, fudgy brownies are incredibly versatile. Serve them warm with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream or enjoy them at room temperature with a cup of coffee. They are truly a delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.